couple of months ago, we helped an auto electrician customer to replace and code a new battery in an Audi Q7. Everybody knows that the VW Audi vehicles use a special system which does the energy management consumption on the vehicle. This energy system requires very high precision in the adjustments and operation in order to do properly the energy saving task. The networking system of the car, like the CAN bus, the LIN, and the fiber optic lines, the most turn it automatically off by the energy management system when is not being used. As the vehicle battery capacity, as the battery becomes older and older, the capacity drops, and the self-learning function on the energy management system, it finds out earlier that the battery is been full and interrupts the charging. So when the new fitted battery on the car is being installed in the vehicle, and the energy management system is already been adapted on the old battery, the new battery never becomes fully charged. That means that soon the new battery is going to die, and the car and the customer will return back to you with an empty battery, and everybody's been wondering why that happens since the battery is new. Okay. However, the newly fitted battery, after the adaptation, okay, is going to receive the optimum current from the alternator. Obviously, we have to use in our scanner to program and adapt the new battery with the new engine management, with the electrical energy management system. This process called encoding, which erases the old adaptation values in the control unit and replaces with the new adaptation values. So the new battery, is going to be fully charged from now on. This is a very important point. The new battery, which we get for replacement, it has to be stacked on it the BEM tag. Have a look, what is the BEM tag? The BEM tag is a tag which contains all the coding and programming informations for the battery, and will be installed in the car. Only few vendors provide, unfortunately, this BEM tag. Not all batteries are equipped with this tag on the sticker, that sticker on the battery. That is a few of the manufacturers which provide batteries with a BEM tag, and but is not the only one. Ones probably could be more, but this is for your information, okay? And be sure before you get the battery that the battery contains the BEM tag again on each body. Here is how the BEM tag looks like. It's a sticker which is over the battery, on the battery top, and says BEM code, and contains the serial number the vendor code, which in this case VA0 means Varta battery, and the part number of the battery. The battery is located under the passenger seat, in the passenger compartment, of course. So the guys, they took a few minutes until they replaced the battery, and after we fit the battery, we use the iScan-WT in order to program. We set up the, as you see, the vehicle. We select the initializing the software. It takes all the procedures takes about a few minutes. We select Audi, of course. We select Q7. Okay, after 2007, that is 2010. And then we go into the energy management system. You will see it's built in the CAN bus computer. Number 19. Yes, it's connected and give us the system informations, and then we go to the adaptation number 12. We adapt the system manually. We select the appropriate channel 04, and then we start to introduce the number of the BEM ticket 999. We copy the numbers from the BEM ticket and we enter by using the keyboard of the scan tool. We have to be careful when we distinguish between 0 and O. Be careful, this is the O letter, okay? The 0 letter is with the dash. Be careful. You can see we will indicate here, or you can see also in the number on the top that the 0 number has a diagonal dash in the middle, so but the O letter doesn't. Okay, it's very clear. Also, pay attention on the spaces. The top serial number, it's separate from the vendor by the three spaces. But because the serial number in the new battery is 11 digits, it takes 2 spaces. Be careful on the spaces. Then we put the vendor, which is Varta, of course. Then we use 1 space. If the vendor has 2 letters, it has to be 3 spaces, but now it more spaces. But now it's enough to put the 1 space, and then of course we type the complete number there.
Zero.
B for Bravo.
B for Bravo.
And next one is
After we type the number, we make a quick check. We see that the number is the correct one, and then we press enter, which means we enter the number in the inside the scanner. Be careful from the scanner to the engine management energy management computer. Be careful. You see there that the old setting indicates the previous battery setting. The new setting is what we have entered, and the current setting is after we confirm with the enter. Now, next step is to turn ignition off and remove the key. So we allow the registration to the energy management control unit. Put it on again. Ignition on, yes. Checking for fault codes. We check again if the number has been properly introduced. Yes. Manual and 04 channel. Yes, the number is what
Yes,
we
yeah.
selected to put it in.
Good job. Okay, completed.
Yeah.
Exit.
Exit. Yeah.
Exit.
So the battery is
And
registered.
And,
now
go
we
to the
check
block
for
20.
fault codes. No fault codes,
Yes. No for code.
and the job has
Okay.
done. We go to the data stream and we check the amps for the battery that is being registered.
0. And enter.
And that's
So
55 amps,
55.
12.4 volts.
Yes.
Everything is alright. Thank you.